I'll admit my chicken shawarma relies on an awful lot of spices, but this couldn't be easier to make. And besides, any recipe that starts with the zest and juice of 2 lemons makes my heart sing. And this involves minimal washing up, always an important factor for me. I throw everything in a plastic bag and I've already got 12 skinless, boneless chicken thighs nestling in there. Got some serious impaling work to do, because on top of that fabulous mimosa sprinkle of lemon zest, now the sharpness of the juice. Remarkably pipless lemons, although I don't much mind if a pip or two falls in. Very satisfying work. I want some olive oil, just regular olive oil. Bit of moisturiser. And now for my carefully calibrated spice collection. Some paprika first off. Gorgeous colour and gorgeous taste. Next, cumin. And the thing about these spices is it's not their individual voices, but it's the choir of flavour when they're together. Coriander, always the junior partner to cumin, but no less valuable, dried chili flakes. And now a slight flirt with the sweeter spices. Before I put too much in, a little bit of cinnamon. And some nutmeg, just freshly grated over. Going a bit more boisterous now with some garlic. Don't be alarmed though, the garlic doesn't overwhelm. It's all perfectly harmonious. And I'm happy to throw the end bits in, and then, fabulous. Need a crunch of salt. And 2 bay leaves. Serious bit of squelching to do now. This just sits in the fridge, gaining in tenderness and flavour, and then it goes into a hot oven for 30 minutes and it's cooked. The thing about the chicken shawarma, it's how you eat it as well as the fabulousness of the chicken itself. So I want a pile of warm flatbreads on the table, some tomatoes I'll chop up with some fresh mint, some shredded lettuce to go under the chicken, of course my pickle purchases. Oh, and I have to have my tahini yogurt sauce, which I sprinkle with pomegranate seeds. Now, although tradition decrees that this sauce should be served only with lamb shawarma, I think it partners my chicken perfectly. Start with regular plain yogurt and stir in some tahini, that rich and grainy sesame paste that I like to keep on hand. Add a good sprinkle of sea salt flakes and mince or grate in some garlic. When I serve this, I add a scattering of ruby pomegranate seeds, but for now, all I need to do is stir it together. As I'm making this ahead of time, I simply cover and chill this until I need it. I have peeps arriving and the heady aroma of chicken shawarma to welcome them with. William, you're meant to be on bread duty.
No, yes, I'm going to be on bread duty.
But it's really too busy with the talking. And now I'll take it. Thank you very, very much. I'm with you in a minute. There you are. I'm going to try and give you some lettuce too. Oh, you got one. So you have. Oh, yeah. They're beautiful, aren't they? The pink, the red, and the gold.
Yeah.
I'm loving that so much. It's like a cocktail.
That's better.
What's in that sauce?
Tahini, yolk, and garlic. Can I recommend a bit of the very nice pink turnip? Look at this.
It's pretty.
And then I am going to apply to face.
Do you want to fall?
You have to wear your napkin like the old boys do, tucked in.
I've now reduced to 4 behaviour.
Really delicious.